This is a very easy and tasty Christmas salad. We often make it for the holidays, for Christmas or New Year's Eve. Hi everyone, I'm happy to see you on my channel. Today I will show you how to make a simple holiday salad. For this recipe you will need cooked and cooled chicken breast, hard-boiled eggs, marinated mushrooms, 1 can of corn and mayo. First, cut the chicken into small cubes. You can see the size in the video. If you like smaller pieces, you can cut them more finely. Next, chop the boiled eggs. Cut them into small cubes as well and add to the bowl. Now the easiest part. Add the corn, but make sure to drain the liquid from the can before adding it. Then slice the marinated mushrooms. I cut them in half and then into small thin pieces. I'm using a Ukrainian brand, but you can use any marinated mushrooms you like. And last step, add about 4 tablespoons of mayo and mix everything well. And that's it. The salad is ready. You can serve it in a big bowl or make small portions. It's simple, creamy and perfect for the holiday table. Enjoy and happy holidays!